So in today's video, we're going to look at average if versus average ifs. So average if and ifs is where you want to do an average on a set of data, but you want to only find certain values that match. So here I've got an example that says we've got this data set, cities, states, counties, and population, and we want to find the average for a particular state. So let's say we're going to pick on Colorado here. There's two ways to do this. So we can do average, type it right, we're going to do average if, and we're going to do the range that we want to find the value that we're looking up. So this is in the state code. And then we can either just type in CO, or we can reference what I have here in F9, and we'll do that in a second. And then comma, and then the average range that we want to find the average in. So this returns a value of 15,841. So it's saying for this data set in Colorado, the average city has 15,841 people. Now, like I said, we could have just typed in CO, or we could just use the value that's in F9. Same result. It's just referencing the actual CO that's in F9. So that's just average if. So if I could have done this by city, which wouldn't make any sense because each city is unique, but I could have done this by county or state, whatever I wanted. Now let's say we want to do the average by the county and the state, right? So sometimes counties will appear with the same value in multiple states. So we don't want to just do obviously Denver, maybe not, but Adams County is probably exists in multiple states. So let's just take a look here, data filter, and we go to Adams. And here you've got multiple states with the county of Adams in it. So it would not be a good idea just to say, okay, I'm going to average up Adams that I know is in Colorado State, and that is going to be the average for Colorado. That would be Colorado plus all the other states that are in this data set. So we want to use both the state and the county to do an average. So let's go with average ifs. So this allows you to set multiple statements within an if statement. So here it's a little bit backwards. So the first thing you're doing is choosing the range of data that exists. And then you're going to add their criteria, as many as you want. Here we've got 2 of them. So we're going to do this based on, F3 and G2 here so that we can do this dynamically. We're not going to just type this in. So the first range is a state, and we're going to do this based on the state that is in F3. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little $sign in front of this, and I'll show you why that's important later. It will help when we're copying, pasting this over, or dragging this over. And then we want to do the average as well. So I can't click in that right now, so let's just do, C to C. And then we want to do Denver as the value. And again, this time we're going to do just 2. And we're not going to do G, so when we copy this over, it goes to H, I, J, K. So this is the average city size of, it's probably just one, of cities that are in Denver County. So if I drag this over, this will keep the values so that if I edit this, you can see it's referencing to CO. Column B didn't change before. When I dragged that over, you can see all the columns kind of shifted. And then it's still doing El Paso because I'm in column H, and then column I refers to the next county name, so that will continue on. So this average ifs allows you to reference multiple values. If there was another set of data here, like if I wanted to do city for some reason, I could add the city in here. I can continue to add if statements in here to drive this down to exactly the piece of data that I want. But for this, we're using state and city. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.